why are we here? Let's find the answer. In this world, you can find some of your friends, those who are programmer or graphics designer, who barely touches the touchpad or mouse. On the other hand, you are pressing random types of keys on your keyboard or finding how your friends really do that kind of stuffs. You are still thinking that. I know you are thinking. So, what's the solution then? So, after watching this video, I can assure you one thing, that you are going to have a clue that how they really do that kind of stuff. So, let's go. Windows key is Control plus D. Suppose you're working on a project on a computer, PC or Mac. So you are going to work on another project. So you have to create a virtual desktop by pressing Windows plus Control plus D. You are going to have a new interface. Windows key is Control. Suppose you have already created a virtual desktop. Now you have to do a thing, and that is switching between virtual desktop. So how you are going to do that? Just press Windows key plus Control and press left or right key for switching between virtual desktops. Windows key plus M. Suppose you are working on your computer on a project. So you have already opened a lot of interfaces. Now you have to cut it off. So you want to minimize it. Just press Windows key plus M. And the next one, Windows key is F1 or F2 or F3. This would be going to be a mystery, so I will gradually suggest you to find it by your own. Let's see what have you got. And the next one is let's screen between two windows. Windows key is left key or right key. I'm going to describe it by my own words. Suppose you are a web developer, so you have just a single monitor setup. You don't have any dual monitor setup. By pressing Windows key or left key or right key, you can enjoy dual monitor setup on your single monitor. Isn't it great? Let me know on comment section.